Imagine hearing a whisper in a quiet room, but that whisper turns into a deafening roar that shatters windows across the building. Now amplify that by cosmic scales. What if the universe in some distant corner just erupted in such a monstrous burst that it rewrote the rulebook for how we think galaxies die? I'm not exaggerating. Astronomers have just discovered explosions so powerful they outshine anything we've seen since the Big Bang itself. And these aren't your garden variety supernova, they're cosmic flashbangs. Events so extreme they force us to rethink how stars, black holes, and galaxies interact. Stick around. Because within the next few minutes, we'll travel billions of light years, uncover the physics pushing the limits, and ask a haunting question: what else is out there waiting to detonate in ways we never imagined? Let's rewind. For decades, astronomers have catalogued supernovae, stars exploding, burning out, leaving behind neutron stars or black holes. These are spectacular, yes, but they're relatively well understood. They have characteristic brightness durations, signatures we can broadly predict. But what if something exploded that made a supernova look like a candle next to a blowtorch? That's the scale we're dealing with now. Recently, researchers at the University of Hawaii's Institute for Astronomy, AFA, announced they have observed what they call extreme nuclear transients, or ENTs. Explosions so powerful they dwarf conventional supernovae and even tidal disruption events. These are rare, like finding a unicorn in a forest. But when they appear, they redefine everything. Let me walk you through what an ENT is, or at least what we think it is. Imagine a massive star at least 3 times the mass of our Sun, venturing too close to a supermassive black hole at the heart of its galaxy. The black hole's tidal forces, gravity gradients so extreme, tear the star apart, stretching it like cosmic taffy. That process, called a tidal disruption event, is known. But ENTs are even more luminous, orders of magnitude brighter. One event, named Gaia 18 CDJ, was especially jaw-dropping. It radiated more than 25 times more energy than the brightest known supernovae. In effect, it was the equivalent of 100 suns in a single year. To put that in perspective, typical tidal disruption events are already rare and intense. ENTs appear to be roughly 10 times more luminous and last much longer. So when you see biggest explosions since the Big Bang, this is what they mean. We're pushing observational boundaries into regimes we've only theorized about. Okay, but how does something get that bright? How do you amplify a star's death to make it visible across billions of light years? There are a few ideas. Tidal disruption ramped up. A star gets pulled apart, but under extreme conditions, more mass is sucked in, more energy is released, and the light output skyrockets. Delayed fallback. Some of the star's material initially escapes, but then falls back in, releasing additional energy over time. Extreme accretion onto the black hole. The shredded material spirals in, heating up, accelerating, and radiating intensely before crossing the event horizon. Relativistic jets or outflows. If some matter is ejected at near light speed, you get boosted luminosity by beaming effects. The truth is, none of these alone may explain the full power of ENTs. It's likely a combination, a perfect storm of conditions. And that's what makes them so compelling to astronomers. They're nature's extreme experiments. You might ask, why haven't we seen ENTs earlier? Because they're incredibly rare. We're talking 10 million times less frequent than supernovae. Imagine scanning the sky watching thousands of stars, waiting for a supernova. You might catch dozens a year, but to catch an ENT, that's like waiting decades, maybe centuries. Only when our telescopes and surveys become more sensitive and wide-ranging do these faint, brief signals stand a chance of being detected. That's part of what's changing now. New telescopes, better temporal coverage, faster alerts. These are turning up these extremes. The Vera C. Rubin Observatory and NASA's Roman Space Telescope are next in line to push this frontier. Detecting just one ENT gives astronomers a rare window into the most violent, energetic end states of stars and galaxies. This doesn't just expand our supernova catalog. ENTs are powerful probes of deep cosmology, mapping black hole growth history. These events happen near supermassive black holes. So when we detect ENTs, we're essentially catching black hole feeding in action. Galaxy evolution. ENTs may occur preferentially in younger, more active galaxies. That tells us about how galaxies and their central black holes co-evolve. High redshift glimpses. Because ENTs are so powerful, we might detect them at vast distances, seeing into epochs where the universe was much younger. Physics in extreme regimes. Conditions in ENTs push extreme gravity, magnetism, radiation. They test physical models under stress. So these explosions aren't just curiosities.
Imagine two
They're
massive
laboratories
collections
for
of stars,
unraveling
gas,
cosmic
and
secrets.
dust, spiraling
But with
toward
all
each
this,
other at
so many
incredible
mysteries
speeds.
remain. We don't
Hubble's
fully
stunning
understand the
images
mechanism
capture
behind the
these epic
extreme
events,
brightness.
showing us
Are
the
all
breathtaking
ENTs caused
beauty
by tidal
of
disruption?
swirling colors and
Or could there
shapes.
be other origins?
As they merge,
How
new
many are out
stars
there,
born
hidden
from
in
the chaos,
archival data?
lighting up the night
Can
sky
we predict them
in ways
or
we
even
can
catch
only
them in
dream
the
of.
act? Will
But it's
future
not all
telescopes find
fireworks.
ENTs from the epoch
Gravitational
of first
forces
stars?
can also tear
What's
galaxies
certain is the
apart,
hunt is just
creating
beginning.
long,
So here's
stretched
what
out
stays in
tails of
mind.
stars.
Somewhere in the universe,
These collisions
massive
can even
stars are
trigger
being
bursts
shredded
of
by
star
black holes
formation,
in bursts
turning
so
quiet
intense
galaxies
their
into
light
vibrant
reaches us
hubs of
across
activity.
billions of years.
So,
And we're
the
just
next
now
time
seeing
you gaze
them.
up at the stars,
These cosmic
remember that
detonations,
somewhere out
called
there,
ENTs,
galaxies are
may be
colliding,
among the loudest
creating
echoes
new
since the
worlds
Big Bang
and
itself.
reshaping the universe
When you
as we know
next
it.
gaze at the night sky,
It's a reminder
remember,
of how dynamic
it's never
and
silent.
ever-changing our
Somewhere
cosmos
out there,
really is.
a star might be dying in a blaze of glory so extreme it outshines entire galaxies. And each time we catch one of these, we get a front row seat to the most violent, mysterious side of the cosmos. Let me leave you with this. In our search to understand cosmic explosions, we're not just catching fireworks. We're listening to the universe's deepest stories. If you like this video, please comment and subscribe to this channel where I do my best to bring you some amazing space facts. Thank you for watching.